Good morning everybody. Today we discuss numerical methods. The solution of differential equation. Previous class we discussed Euler method and its related problems, and Runge-Kutta fourth order methods and its related problem. Now we discuss Milne's predictor corrector method. Now predictor formula yn plus 1 equal to yn minus 3 plus 4h by 3 into 2yn minus 2 minus yn minus 1 plus 2yn n minus 1 dash plus 2yn dash, and corrector formula yn plus 1 this equal to yn minus 1 plus h by 3 yn minus 1 dash plus 4yn dash plus yn plus 1 dash. Now take a problem and discuss the solution and show the Milne's predictor method is clearly done. Now using Milne's predictor corrector method, find the value of y at x equal to 0.4 of dy dx equal to 4y. Given y first bracket 0, this is y0 equal to 1, and y1 equal to y 0.1 equal to 1.492, and y2 y 0.2 equal to 2.226, y3 equal to y 0.3, this equal to 3.320. Solution: here x0 equal to 0, x1 equal to 0.1, x2 equal to 0.2, x3 equal to 0.3, x4 equal to 0.4. So we write h equal to 0.1. Now predictor formula yn plus 1 equal to yn minus 3 plus 4h by 3 into 2yn minus 2 dash minus yn minus 1 dash plus 2yn dash. Now we calculate y first bracket 0.4, that means y4. So we put n equal to 3 from predictor formula. We get y3 plus 1 this equal to y4 equal to y0 plus 4h by 3 into 2y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2y3 dash. Number 1. Now given dy dx equal to 4y, so this equal to y dash. So we write y1 dash equal to 4y1. So 4 into value of y1 1.492, this equal to 5.968. y2 dash equal to 4 into y2, 4 into 2.226, this equal to 8.904. y3 dash equal to 4 into y3, this equal to 4 into 3.320 equal to 13.28. Now putting this value in 1. So y4 equal to y 0.4 equal to 1 plus 4 into value of h 0.1 by 3 into 2 into 5.968 minus 8.904 plus 2 into 13.28. So y4 equal to 4.9456. This is the correct result. Now y4 dash equal to, similar way we calculate 4 into y4. So this equal to 4 into 4.9456. This equal to 19.7824. Now we know that corrector formula yn plus 1 this equal to yn minus 1 plus h by 3 into yn minus 1 dash plus 4yn dash plus yn plus 1 dash. Now calculate y4. So y 0.4. So put n equal to 3. So y3 plus 1 equal to y4 equal to y2 plus h by 3 into y2 dash plus 4y3 dash plus y4 dash. Now y4 equal to y 0.4, this equal to 2.226 plus 0.1 by 2 into 8.904 plus 4 into 13.28 plus 19.7824, this equal to 4.95288. Okay, now give some assignment. Problem number 1. compute y2 by Milner's predictor corrector method from dy dx equal to half into x plus y with y0 equal to 2, y0.5 equal to 2.636, y1 equal to 3.595 and y1.5 equal to 4.968. Here h equal to 0.5, then we calculate y2 in similar way. Now problem number 2, compute y0.2 and y1 by Milner's predictor corrector method if dy dx equal to 1 plus y square, comma y0 equal to 0, y0.2 equal to 0.2027, y0.4 equal to 0.4228, y0.6 equal to 0.6841. Here h equal to 0.2, so we calculate first y0.8 putting the value of n equal to 3, and secondly we calculate y1. Okay, thank you. Next class we discuss finite difference method. Okay, thank you.